to celebrate Engineers Day, a day dedicated to honoring the contributions of engineers of India to our society, especially to remember the contributions of Sir Mokshamund Vishwesvaraya, as already elucidated. Sri Mokshamund Vishwesvaraya, not only being an engineer of par excellent, also highly ethical, but what I feel behind that is also highly spiritual. Engineers Day is not just an occasion to applaud the technical powers of our individual engineers, but also it is an opportunity to reflect on the impact of engineers on society and what further to be done to improve the quality of life of the public in large. To find solution to day-to-day problems in railways or outside, an engineer should look at problems on zero basis, without any prejudice or preconditioned mind. This is very important. Any problem for that matter. For engineers, all the more required, one should approach the problem on a zero basis so that we will find out the root cause of the problem and arrive at the solutions. Sharp intellect is needed to arrive at solutions which are complex engineering problems in various fields. Such sharp intellect can be acquired also by means of two techniques which are given in our Shastra, that is introspection and meditation daily for a few minutes, some 15-20 minutes. Both these techniques does not need any conditions. You can do now also, you can do any time. There is no condition that you want to do before food, after food, nothing. Instead of doing WhatsApp continuously or only wasting our time, some time should be spent for yourself and introspection as well as in meditation, which will ultimately help not only your health, but also helps your intellect in solving your professional problems also. It is also mentioned in our Shastras that Sattva Guna is prevalent between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. After that, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. start the Rajoguna, next night is the Tamoguna. Unfortunately, present generation on reading only night, that's why results are not coming much. If you want, scientists tells everybody, the success of Chandrayaan, whatever you care, there is a hidden, unless you attack the problems at the right time, getting solution will be difficult. So, any complex problem, any critical problems, one has to attack in the morning, not in the night. It will not, the body, the entire structure body will not cooperate. Now coming to railways, failures take place due to three reasons. One is lack of knowledge, one is lack of alertness, and is casual approach. The lack of knowledge, because in our system, already every time there are fluxes going on. Some people are promoted, some people are coming from different depot, different divisions, etc., etc. The failures which are occurring or recurring, that means the failures which are taking place are not that they are first time occurring. It is already there, again repeating. And most of the time we find the failures are because the person is not aware of the knowledge. Now how to make that the system, everybody is equally aware of the knowledge. So we have introduced our system electrical department, what is called standing order book. Already special drives we may be issuing and the counseling is done, one time effort is gone. Instead of that, in a systematic way, what we have started is, all the problems, failures or any technical matter, counseling is done, all the practical also shown, all signature will be taken, having known the problem. Left side these are instructions given. And tomorrow suppose one new person joins to the depot. Now we have to make him, instead of directly making him do the job, he should be made to work, know what is the system of working in this depot, at this place, and what are the failures which have taken place earlier and what are the solutions being done, what are the precautions to be taken. All these things to be counseled, practical to give training to the person, then the chances of this person making the similar mistakes which happened earlier will be reduced. This is the only way. Otherwise, you do any special drives, kuch nahi hone wala. You have to see that 100% coverage is there. Not a single person should be left out. The system flux will be there. Continuously somebody will be coming and going, coming and going. So it has to be in a continuous basis. Otherwise, failures will take place. The second is lack of alertness. As I told you, many times we know, but still that particular moment we forget and we commit the mistake. And that is the duty of alertness. I have seen physically in Vikarapati when I went, the ASM, he knows everything. But he has permitted a loco into the section where there is a block is going on. So there is a dead section entry. So a lot of commotion because luckily discharged everything is there, nobody died. So when I asked, he said, no sir, I am aware, but somehow, momentarily I lost alertness, that I permitted. So for that, as I told you, meditation and introspection, other techniques, this will help. So with the present day stress, with WhatsApp induced stress or other induced stress, so we need to apply the countermeasures so that we become balanced. Otherwise, we are already unbalanced. The third is casual approach. In spite of all things, some people may be there in the system, few people, 1% to 5% will be there. For them, you have to find out maybe you have to get and count him, or the ambush checks and all, we have to do ambush check and find out that he is not in the problem. We have to make him understand that he is to the problem. These are the three ways which pertain to railways, I feel all engineers need to adapt. So with this, I request all the engineers assembled here to your intellect and for your health. And again, I will thank the organizers for inviting me on this prestigious occasion. Jai Hind.